Conshocht seo táimid ag fálam an bríthar be, to be. And the theme of our spellings are mohucán, emotions. So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
Oh, Jesus. Red alert! Red alert!
Yes, it's an irregular verb, bríthar na bhrialta. An aimsir caite. Bhí mé, I was. Bhí tú, you were. Bhí sé, he was. Bhí she was. Bhí mar, we were. Bhí sibh, ye were. Bhí siad, they were. An raibh is the question and ní raibh is the negative. Now, there's two conjugations for an aimsir láithreach for the present tense. So tá essentially means something that's happening now or today in the moment. Tá mé, I am. Tá tú, you are. Tá sé, he is. Tá she is. Tá mid, we are. Tá sibh, ye are. Tá siad, they are. And the question form is an will and the negative is níl. The other form of an aimsir láithreach present tense is something that happens every day, every week, so it happens regularly. Bhíonn, I am. Bhíonn tú, you are. Bhíonn sé, he is. Bhíonn she is. Bhíonn mid, we are. Bhíonn sibh, ye are. Bhíonn siad, they are. The question form is an mian and the negative is ní bhíonn. An aimsir áisteanach, the future tense. Beg mé, I will be. Beg tú, you will be. Beg sé, he will be. Beg she will be. Be mid, we will be. Beg sibh, ye will be. Beg siad, they will be. And the question form is an meg and the negative is ní veg. So this week our spellings are mohucán, emotions, áthas, happy, brón, sad, farach, angry, agla, scared, tursha, tired. Ocras, hungry, tart, thirsty, diama, disappointed, imni, worried, sketimini, excited. Structure oberta, the sentence structure. So if you want to say how someone's feeling, you have bhí, mohucán, the emotion, and an ré focal air. So bhíonn mohucán air. Bíonn mohucán air. Tá mohucán air. Beg mohucán air. So, bhí áthas orm, I was happy. Bíonn brón orthaí, she is sad. Tá imní column, column is worried. And then you can kick your sentences up a notch by adding in a time. Beg ocras orin ag man iha. We will be hungry at midnight. Agus tá mid dénta. We're done.